Has your IKEA STYRBAR smart light switch stopped responding, failed to pair with your lights, or started acting unpredictably? Issues like these can sometimes occur after a battery change, connection interruption, or software glitch. Fortunately, performing a hard reset can often restore the switch to its factory settings and make it ready for a fresh setup. In many situations, a hard reset on the IKEA STYRBAR smart light switch is all that's needed to resolve common pairing and responsiveness problems. Before assuming the device is defective or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal operation. 1. Remove the back cover and make sure the batteries are installed correctly. 2. Locate the pairing or reset button inside the battery compartment. 3. Press and hold the button until the indicator light reacts or begins flashing. 4. Wait while the stirber switch completes the reset process and returns to default settings. 5. Pair the switch again with your IKEA smart home system and confirm that it responds normally.